Why are adjuvants essential for subunit vaccines? Imagine trying to start a fire with just a few tiny sparks. It's possible, but much easier if you add some kindling. That's similar to what adjuvants do for subunit vaccines. These vaccines contain only specific parts of a pathogen, like proteins or sugars, instead of the whole microorganism. Because they are so purified, they lack many of the signals that naturally alert our immune system. Without those signals, the immune response might be weak or slow. That's where adjuvants come in. They act like helpers that boost the immune system's recognition of these vaccine components. They activate immune cells called antigen-presenting cells, which are key for starting the immune response. Adjuvants help present the vaccine antigens more effectively to immune cells, making it easier for the body to recognize and respond. They mimic patterns found on pathogens, known as pathogen-associated molecular patterns, which are recognized by pattern recognition receptors on immune cells. This triggers local inflammation and recruits more immune cells to the vaccination site. Because subunit vaccines are so pure, they don't have many of these natural signals, so adjuvants fill that gap. They provide the necessary danger signals that alert the immune system to respond strongly. This leads to a more robust and longer-lasting immunity. Adjuvants can also influence what kind of immune response is generated, whether it's more antibody production or activation of specific T-cell types, depending on what's needed to fight the disease. For example, in older adults or people with weaker immune systems, adjuvants help overcome natural declines in immune activity. This makes vaccines safer and more effective for everyone. In short, adjuvants are essential for subunit vaccines because they help the immune system recognize and fight the purified parts of pathogens. Without them, the vaccines might not produce enough protection. They ensure that vaccination leads to a strong, lasting immune defense, making vaccines safer and more reliable for all ages.